Everybody thinks Florida's the place to go for a summer vacation. They got beautiful beaches, but they're crowded. It's expensive. If you're RVing, a lot of times it's hard to even find a place to park your rig. Let me set the record straight about something though. The Mississippi Gulf Coast is phenomenal. You can park right along the beaches. The costs are probably half as much as it is Florida, and the beaches are just as nice. Plus, did I mention there's 12 casinos there too, with big name acts that's there all the time. Or if you like to try a lady luck out, and you might win a little money too. Watch the video. You're going to see some things what we like. Maybe you will too. I'm telling you, better than Florida, because what? It's about half the dang price. Less crowded. There ain't no crowd.
And still fun
in the sun for half the price.
Yep. So this is one of our favorite coffee places to stop at. We used to come down to the beach periodically when we lived here in Gulfport. And we would stop off here at Past Books and get us a cup of coffee. And you can actually go through to the backside and sit out on the little lanai and look out over the ocean. It's pretty cool.
And here's one of our favorite places to eat around this neck of the woods is Shaggy's. Shaggy's is right on the marina. It's low tide on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, as you can see. Out there, you might not be able to see it on the horizon. It's Cat Island way out there, some of the barrier islands.
Here on the right is the aquarium, Gulfport, Mississippi Aquarium.
Yep.
It's a really nice aquarium. We actually, Daniel and I visited this. Yeah. It's got 2 or 3 stories, right?
Yeah, it's this was when we discovered this place for ourselves. We were like, wow, because being from Florida, you get to see the beach in between the condos or something. You can barely see the beach, or if you do go to the beach, you have to pay to park.
Yep.
And you got to fight the crowds and And here, shoot, you can just ride along the beach.
It's a hidden gem to us. Yeah.
It's just amazing that more people don't come check this place out. You got the beaches, you got the casinos, you got golf courses, you got great food.
Yeah.
They even have the Mardi Gras here.
Mm-hmm.
The Mardi Gras parade they'll have.
Cruising the coast, the Jeep in the coast.
Yeah, they have a few different things throughout the year. We can't say enough good things about this place. Mm-hmm. One of the great things about the Mississippi Gulf Coast, we're Floridians, as you guys know, but look at this. These little pull-offs, you can just pull off and park. Sometimes we even see RVs there. People pull off and enjoy the beach.
And this is Edgewater Mall.
Yep.
And as you can see, I'll turn it here a little bit. You're right across the street from the ocean. So coming up here on the right is the Beau Rivage Casino. So as you can see here, the Beau Rivage. Coming up here next is the Hard Rock Casino. All right, so coming up here on the right, this is the Golden Nugget.
And Herrera.
And Harrah's. Is it
on
Harrah's?
The left, yeah.
On the left, yeah. So somewhere between here too, it might be right after Golden Nugget, I believe, is Margaritaville.
So this is Ocean Springs. Probably out of all the beachside communities, this is in my opinion, the coolest one. really neat little community here. Can't get in a hurry because it's a little bit tight. But just every little shop and restaurant is really neat around through here. Nighttime, all these trees are lit up with little Christmas lights on them.
As you can see off in the distance there, this is where you can rent charter boats that'll take you out fishing if that's what you choose to do when you're here.
Yeah, when we first come down here, Terry and I rented a charter boat with our granddaughter and went out for half a day.
This is the Southern Comfort Campground Camping Resort RV Park.
There's a few RV parks right here on the strip, I guess you could say, across from the ocean, the Gulf. On your right here is a huge amusement park. Go-kart racing and putt-putt, batting cages, arcades. It takes up a couple blocks. The laser tag.
Bowling.
They're bowling. Bowling. Yeah. There you go. There's another RV park, the Cajun RV Park.
Somebody pulling out there.
Yeah.
All right, so what you got?
Gumbo.
What's Terry got?
Yeah, yours looks amazing.
Shrimp and grits. And I don't usually do shrimp and grits, but hey, this looks good.
Looks awesome. Now that you've seen the video, let me clue you in on a couple other things. When you're along the Mississippi Gulf Coast, you're less than 2-hour drive to New Orleans. If you want to have a day out, that's what me and the wife used to do all the time. We'd go there, spend the night, come back the next day. New Orleans is jumping. But also the Mississippi Gulf Coast, the food, fantastic. Seafood, they got the shrimp boats that go out every day and catch shrimp. And you know, the nightlife, you know, the casinos are always popping. But you know, just the cost of living and the slower pace of life, being able to get an RV site right across the street from the beach, being able to park right on the beach, and they don't charge you to park. It's all free. You can pull your car up there and just get out. Doesn't cost a thing. Unlike Florida, you can't hardly see the beaches because of all the condos and businesses. There's 20 miles of beach that you can just ride along and just look out over the ocean. That's my kind of living.